Confidence, relationships, transformation. Hey everyone. Let's talk about something we all need: confidence in our relationships. Whether it's with your partner, your friends, or your family, feeling confident helps you connect better and overcome challenges. But I get it, confidence isn't always easy to find, especially when doubts creep in. That's why I'm here to share 7 powerful tips that will transform how you show up in every relationship. Stick with me, because tip 6 might just change your perspective forever. Tip 1. Understand your unique value. The foundation of confidence is knowing your worth. What makes you unique? Take a moment to think about your strengths. Maybe it's your ability to listen, your creativity, or your sense of humor. Here's a quick exercise. Write down 3 things you love about yourself. Reflect on them every morning. It's a simple habit, but it reinforces your belief in your own value, which others will notice too. Try this now. Pause the video, write down your strengths, and comment below with one thing you're proud of. Tip 2. Practice active listening. Confidence in relationships isn't just about speaking up, it's also about listening. When you genuinely listen to someone, you show that you value their thoughts, and this builds trust. Here's how to master active listening. 1. Maintain eye contact. 2. Nod or give small verbal affirmations like "I see," or "that makes sense." 3. Ask follow-up questions. The next time you're in a conversation, focus on listening more than speaking. You'll be surprised at how confident you feel when people open up to you. Tip 3. Embrace vulnerability. Being vulnerable might seem like a weakness, but it's actually a superpower. When you share your fears, dreams, or even mistakes, you're showing that you're confident enough to be real. Here's an example. Instead of saying, "I'm fine," try saying, "I'm feeling overwhelmed today, but I'm working through it." Vulnerability invites connection, and connection fuels confidence. What's one thing you've been scared to share with someone? Think about how opening up could strengthen that relationship. Tip 4. Set boundaries with confidence. Here's a truth bomb. Saying no is a form of self-respect. Boundaries aren't about shutting people out. They're about creating space for healthy interactions. For example, if a friend constantly cancels plans, you might say, "I value our time together, so I'd appreciate it if we could stick to our plans in the future." This shows you value yourself and the relationship. Boundaries are a reflection of confidence, not conflict. Remember that. Tip 5. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Perfection isn't the goal, progress is. Confidence grows every time you step out of your comfort zone, no matter how small the step. Let's say you spoke up in a meeting for the first time, or you resolved a conflict with a loved one. Celebrate those wins, because each one strengthens your self-belief. Tip 6. Learn and grow together. Relationships thrive when both people are growing. Attend workshops, read books, or even watch videos like this together. Learning together not only boosts your confidence, but also deepens your bond. Tip 7. Be your own cheerleader. Finally, confidence comes from within. Speak kindly to yourself, especially on tough days. A simple affirmation like, "I'm doing my best, and that's enough," can shift your mindset instantly. Take a moment to say something kind to yourself right now. How does it feel? These 7 tips are your roadmap to building unstoppable confidence in your relationships. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. What's one tip you'll start using today? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a confidence boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.